Good morning and welcome to PV Legal's daily newsletter. I'm your host. Today we bring you a landmark ruling from the Supreme Court of India that every businessman, investor, and legal practitioner must know. A judgment that draws a firm constitutional line between a commercial disappointment and a criminal offense. The case is V. Ganesan versus State, decided on the 19th of March 2026. The bench comprised Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice Manoj Misra. Here are the facts. A movie producer borrowed money from an investor. First Rs 19.6 lakhs, then Rs 27 lakhs, promising a share in profits. The movie was made, the movie was released, but it did not earn profits. The investor then moved the police, alleging cheating under Section 420 of the IPC and criminal breach of trust under Section 406. Two post-dated checks issued by the producer towards repayment were also dishonored. The Madras High Court quashed the Section 406 charge, rightly finding no entrustment, but allowed the Section 420 proceedings to continue, saying the question of dishonest intent was a matter for trial. The Supreme Court disagreed, and disagreed firmly. The court reiterated the golden rule of cheating law: dishonest intention must exist from the very inception of the transaction. Mere failure to keep a promise, even a financial one, is not cheating. Relying on Visa Holdings versus State of Kerala and Iridium India Telecom versus Motorola, the court held that if the intent to cheat develops later, no offense under Section 420 is made out. Applying this to the facts, the producer made the movie. He kept his primary promise. No one alleges the film was never made. Profits did not materialize, but that is the inherent risk of cinema. As the court said, no one can be sure whether a movie would earn profits or would be a flop. An investor in a film takes the risk of zero return. On the dishonored checks, the court clarified that post-dated checks issued to discharge an existing liability carry no representation of present funds. Their dishonor may attract Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, but it does not by itself constitute cheating. The Supreme Court allowed the appeal, set aside the Madras High Court's order, and quashed all criminal proceedings under Section 420 IPC. The message from the court is clear: business risk is not fraud. PV Legal takeaway. This ruling prevents the misuse of criminal law as a debt recovery tool. It protects entrepreneurs from criminal liability when business ventures fail due to market conditions. Stay informed, stay ahead. This has been your PV Legal Daily